Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to prevent ghost touches on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First, let's open settings on this device, and before everything else, make sure that your device is updated to the latest software version. To do that, go to System Update, go to Software Update, let your phone check for updates, make sure that it's connected to the Wi-Fi. In the meantime, and if you have some updates to download and install, then first download and install them on your smartphone, let it update to the latest version, and maybe it will make your issue go away. And if it didn't, then we can adjust this device's settings. First of all, let's go to System and Update, then System Navigation, and then here, if you are using gestures, then you can enable mistouch prevention for either games only, for full screen, or you can disable it if it's working way too if it's working way too aggressively. So if you enable it for full screen, then it should help you a lot with ghost touches. Then you can also go to Accessibility and Convenience, and here let's scroll down to the Accessibility. No, we actually had to choose it at the very top. Now Interaction, and here adjust touch and hold delay for yourself. And if no kind of touch and hold delay and all the other settings solves your issue, then at this point you should simply try to clean the display of your device, because maybe some debris on it or some stains are interfering with your touches, and maybe this causes your touch screen to misbehave. So if this also doesn't solve your issue, consider replacing your screen protection with the original OPPO screen protector, because they might be just more compatible with your device's touchscreen. And that's basically all the ways that we can reduce or get rid of the ghost touches on our OnePlus 15R. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.